Hi there, students. A swashbuckler, or as an adjective, swashbuckling, or even as a verb, to swashbuckle, but as a verb it's very unusual. Okay, a swashbuckler is a person, a character, who he's heroic and daring, an adventurer, romantic with bravado, but he's flamboyant and swaggering. Especially somebody who fights with swords. So, for example, Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow is a swashbuckler. I guess Indiana Jones as well is a swashbuckler. The swashbuckling adventures of Captain Jack Sparrow. Notice, a swashbuckler can also be a genre of literature, a type of literature. Although nowadays it's more common as a type of films. In your swashbuckling film, you have a heroic protagonist who is acrobatic and clever and tricky. He's daredevil and chivalrous. But the film itself is light-hearted and funny. Yeah? So that's the idea of swashbuckling. Oh, and normally as well our hero is skilled at fencing, sword fighting. So originally the swashbuckler was a type of literature. The Three Musketeers by Alexandre Dumas. This is a swashbuckler. The Pirates of the Caribbean. Swashbuckling. Normally our swashbuckler is set in the Renaissance or the Cavalier era, but now the age of piracy as well. So swashbucklers, Cyrano de Bergerac, Robin Hood, Zorro, the Scarlet Pimpernel, and then normally there's an evil villain who the swashbuckler overcomes by daredevil clever tricks. Okay, let's see. What about formality? I think I'd probably give this a 5 in formality, maybe even a 4. It sounds a little bit old-fashioned, but you could definitely use this as a swashbuckling film in an informal conversation. You could use it in something semi-formal. I think, however, in something very formal, I might say heroic adventures or a heroic adventure story. Now, what about the etymology? Well, I think this is made up of 2 words, swashbuckler or swashbuckle. I think the swash is the sound of the swords. Yeah, the sword fighting. And a buckler is another word for a shield. So with this word swashbuckler, it gives us the idea of swords and shields. Okay, so the swashbuckling adventures. You've got a hero who's brave, romantic, chivalrous, daredevil, acrobatic. And that's the idea of a swashbuckler. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Swashbuckler, swashbuckling.